Hello, today we will guide you through how to export data in ProjectionLab. In this walkthrough, we'll take you from opening the app to downloading a clean export of your data so you can back it up, analyze it elsewhere, or share a snapshot of your plan. I'll point out what to look for on each screen and include a few tips to keep your data organized and secure. Start by opening your browser and going to app.projectionlab.com. For the smoothest experience, a desktop browser works best, and it helps to keep pop-up or download blockers off so your file can save without interruptions. Once the page loads, you'll be in the app and ready to access your account menu. Next, look to the top right of the screen for your profile. This is typically represented by your avatar or account name and serves as the menu for account-related actions. It's easy to miss if you're focused on the main dashboard, so take a second to hover your cursor up there to confirm you've found it. Click your profile to open the drop-down menu. This small menu houses key controls for your account. From here, choose Settings. The Settings area is the hub for managing your account preferences, privacy, and tools related to your data. Moving through Settings keeps everything centralized, so you don't have to hunt across multiple pages. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Export Data and select it. This section is dedicated to packaging your information for download. It's a good moment to make sure your browser is ready to accept a file and to think about where you'd like to store it. Many people keep exports in a dedicated folder named with the app and date, which makes versioning and comparisons much easier later on. Now click Export. The app will prepare your data. This can take a moment depending on the size of your plan. When it's ready, your browser should download the file automatically. If you don't see it right away, check your Downloads folder or your browser's recent downloads list. Consider renaming the file with today's date for clarity and store it somewhere secure, since exports can include sensitive financial details. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you'll remember. That's it. We visited ProjectionLab, opened the Profile menu, navigated to Settings, selected Export Data, and clicked Export to download the file. Your data is now captured and ready to use in your preferred tools or to archive as a backup. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having your ProjectionLab data neatly exported and saved.